Buy a DVD player. A DVD is a digital video disc, which stores roughly 4.7 GB of information. If you are like many, and that term completely flies above your head, fear not, for you too can make a smart purchase. DVDs are the new video standard, replacing the VHS. DVDs are currently in their prime, as every single movie is released on DVD, and many older movies have been converted as well. Currently DVDs are the standard, but they will be replaced in the future. If this is your first DVD player purchase, you will be very satisfied with owning and running a DVD player for the next 10 to 15 years. Even though a replacement is on the horizon, the differences are few and far between and can only be seen if you own a high-definition big-screen TV. DVDs are definitely a step above VHS tapes, because they are purely digital, meaning no rewinding or fast-forwarding. Simply by popping in a DVD, you can jump to any part of a movie in an instant. And as an added bonus, most DVDs contain extra features which can be selected from a menu and watched at your leisure. If you are purchasing a DVD player, here are some things you will want to consider. You will need to determine just how much you want to spend on a DVD player. DVD players can easily be picked up used for as little as $20, but these may not be of the highest quality. Settle on a cost that is right for you, and then determine what type of DVD player you are after. What type of TV and sound system you have is also an important factor. If you are running an old TV, you and #39, LL be fine picking a cheap DVD player that lacks digital sound quality, or THX sound. If you have a home theater system, you will want a high-end DVD player that will support your surround sound system. If you are running a very expensive TV, then you will definitely want to pick up a top-of-the-line DVD player that comes HD ready. The downside of DVDs is that they lack the space necessary to create the complete HD experience, but you will have added benefits from running a high-end DVD player that supports HD buy from a trusted brand because these brands are known for quality. You won and #39. Be paying much more for a top-quality brand like Sony, and in the long run you will probably receive a better quality player that is much less likely to break. Pick a model that is right for you. Because DVD players have been around for a while, you can buy a DVD player in any shape, size, or color scheme. Find something funky that matches your lifestyle and will fit in your family room. If you like sleek silvers, or maybe you are a classic boxy black fan, you can find a DVD player that is right for you. Overall, picking a DVD player appearance that you enjoy is one of the best decisions you can make. Now that you have chosen your DVD player, there are a few purchase options that you can opt for. You can buy your DVD player at a local retailer or online. Or if you are a money-wise shopper, look for used or refurbished players to save even more money. Overall, if you take your time and do a little shopping, you will soon realize that there are literally thousands of different models, and definitely a price range that will fit nicely with your budget. Best of luck with your new DVD purchase. If you are a wise shopper, you should have a blast finding a DVD player that is perfect for you. Caution: don't buy an expensive DVD player that is HD ready if you have an old TV set. You won't be able to utilize these features, and unless you are planning on picking one up, it will be a waste of your money. Quick tips: the DVD player you should buy really depends on the TV you own and sound system you have. Low end: buy a low-end DVD player. High end: go for the better ones. Choose a style that is perfect for you, and will look the best in your living room. Useful links: Sony Circuit City.